Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Good morning once again. Uh, Today we are going to write a program using Victor blocks. Okay, uh, we are going to write a program that will be able to detect emotion of the piece. Okay, this program, it has like three stages. The first stages is we need to turn on the camera. The second stage is we need to analyze the face. Okay, or we need to like detect the face. Okay, the camera has to detect the face, maybe one, two, three, four faces in the camera, and that camera also we need to analyze the emotions of the faces that has been detected in the camera. These emotions may be sad emotions, happy emotions, angry emotions, neutral emotions. It depends on which one. So let's start writing the code. This is our stage. Okay, so we have already initialized the sprite. Okay, let's start. Okay, for us to do, we need to call a functions. There is a function called face detection in these functions. Okay, then the next is that uh, we need to call the other functions to enable the video. Okay, we need to enable the video. That is the camera. Put it on. Then we need to also enable enable the square box. Okay, that will detect the boundary of the face. We need to like set some threshold. Okay, we need to like set some threshold. Okay, this threshold has a ranging from 0.1 up to 0.9. Let's use 0.5 for example. Okay, now we need to detect the face. For us to detect the face, we have to use forever loop, which is what we call a while loop. Okay, while it is true, then we need to go, then we need to analyze the faces. Okay, analyze camera. Okay, then if we need to analyze if fd the number of the count of the pieces is greater than 0. Okay, it's greater than 0. Okay, then what will happen? Then we need to add the sprite to see the emotion of that faces that has been analyzed. Okay, expression. Okay, okay. Then if there is no faces, what will happen? Then we say that there is no face detected. Then we use the else statement. We go and we add the sprite. We use what we call sprite.say. Then we can see whatever no face detect, no face detected by camera. Okay, by camera. I think that's okay. Okay, let's try this. Okay, let's try this. Okay, now it is running. Let's open the camera. Yes, as you can see me now. Now neutral. I'm happy. Surprise. Surprise. Happy. Surprise. Still happy. Neutral. Happy. Only surprise. Okay, let me block my paste. See if it will. Yeah, no paste detected by camera. So that's good. Okay, so actually it is very fun using programming using Python in picture blocks actually. It's very nice way to enhance the teacher skills, especially related to AI and robotics. Okay, actually, this is very fun. Okay, thank you so much for watching, for taking your time and watching my video. Uh, Please don't forget subscribe and also click like button for me. I really appreciate your 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 courage, and I really appreciate uh, how you help me. This is the help you can give to me. Thank you so much. Thank you. God bless you all. Thank you.